Yeah, we were given this place by the engineer, and he gave 2 numbers for 2 institutions, the church and the school.
Engineer, who's this?
Engineer Ongongo. Yeah, he's the one managing the railway.
Okay.
So from 2010, we were enumerated, and then we were brought to this place. He came here and said we can be at this place, and then gave us some classes here. The classes were demolished, and he said we can fix ourselves in the church. So from there, we've been making follow-ups here and then here and there, but he said the number for the school cannot be given the classes because the school belongs to the church. So we've been moving up and down and moving up and down. Even the lawyer had written a letter to them. There is nothing they responded. So on the Saturday, they came and demolished without any notice. There is no notice given. Yes, the land is theirs, but we wanted at least they give us time. And even when we are given notice, it's easier. Because parents had started paying their school fees. Now we are in a fix because we didn't have any notice.
Sisi tunaweza omba wakuje watusaidie watoto wetu waone mali tutapeleka. Wao watoto wao wako kwa mashule sahi kubwa kubwa wanasoma. Wetu ndio hao wako nje, watasomea wapi?
I like my class, I like study. And they have removed our class and we want to study. All the children have, they want to study.